Yeah, so now we're just going to give you a quick little film of just showing you how well this Viking 500 performs with the Suzuki 100. I honestly think she'll be going almost the same as it with the Suzuki 70, which is a detuned version of this engine. The 70, 80, 90, 100 in the Suzuki range are all the same block. Just a little bit of mapping and a bit of extra revving between the two models. So we're just getting clear now, so we've got a bit of open space. Just passing a nice brig coming in. So just going to show you, without doing 5 knots, not even this way, I'm going to head into the sea here and just see really how quickly that she will get up onto the plane. So I'm doing 6, 7, I'm trimming right in, 8 knots, 9 knots. I'm just about planing here at 9 knots. There we go, up completely on now. I'm only 11 knots. And if the crew there can keep up with me, we'll just see if we can get her going a little bit quicker and just see what she goes like. A little bit of trim. Bit of chop out here. What we're doing now, 16 knots. 17 knots, and she's going lovely. Really lovely. What a solid little boat this is. Just tracking the water, absolutely lovely. Honestly, today I'd go to Dartmouth in this, no bother. In fact, we could go to St. Petersburg in this today, if we had enough fuel. And I'd just go through the now we're at 19 knots, about 3,000 or 4,000 revs, 21, you can hear the engine picking up now, and 23, here we go, look at that, she's doing a little racer, 28, she really is great fun. What a great little boat. We'll try and do a turn, see if they'll come with us. Yeah, she turns lovely. I'm just going to sit down a little bit so I can... So now I'm in the seating position, doing 24. She is solid.